And I'm 6 years old.
I'm in 3rd grade.
And I'm in 1st grade.
And our project's name is
The Black Widow.
The major parts are the electronics, the statics, the dynamics, and that's basically all. So the static part is probably going to be the legs, because as you can see, the legs just stay right there in place. They don't move. And the dynamic parts, they're probably going to be the scooper, because it scoops to flip cars over. The gears, because that moves to make the spider move. And there's one more. Probably the teeth, because the teeth just move up and down. They don't stay in a certain spot. And the electronic parts. The motor, because it has wires inside and it makes other things move. And probably the sensor, because it can sense what's in front of it to know when to flip at the right time. And the program makes motor C move. What is it, A? Yeah, motor A move, and it makes the gears move so the spider can move, but it cannot turn. So that was what we were trying to work on. And the program makes motor B move, because it makes the this motor B, just flip up so it can flip its enemies. And STEAM is science, technology, engineering, arts, mathematics, and soft skills. We use engineering to build the Legos. We use arts to try to make it a little fancy by making everything different colors and not just plain black or white. And we also use, that's basically about it. So, do you guys have any questions on this?
What was the most difficult part about this robot?
The most difficult part was probably trying to program it, because everything was wrong. Our teacher kept figuring out the gears were wrong, so we changed those. He kept figuring out that this wasn't plugged in right, so we fixed that. And everything was wrong, so we all had to fix it. And that was surprising, because we were the last ones behind, but we finished everything before everyone else. So that was a little surprising to us. Any more questions?
Can you demonstrate it?
Sure. So the sensor can sense, and it senses what's in front of it, so it flips at the right time.
Awesome.
Impressive.
Any more questions? No more questions?
Jake.
Jake, yes?
What was the most easiest thing?
The easiest part was probably building just the spider itself, because just building the spider without using any of this technology and that stuff, just building the plain spider without anything was probably the easiest part. Any more questions? Yes, Ryan?
Do you have a question, Ryan?
Yes.
What's your question?
Do you forget?
Did we? What are the claws in the front? Yes.
Did you do that as art also?
Yes, we kind of did it as art because Black Widow has a red stripe on its body, so we kind of made it black with the red stripe in the middle, so it looks like a Black Widow. Any more questions? Yes?
How did you program the sensor to know when to grab or knock over?
That's a good question because there's this, on the computers, there's this program. We also used it to make it move. So there's this program that senses how far away it is, and if I programmed it, let's say 50 inches, it would be all the way back here, and it could sense all the way to this computer. So kind of like if it sees something right here, it would flip, just like this.
Mm-hmm.
It wouldn't wait till like there's something in front of it, it would just flip. So we tried to program it to like do it not so far, so it can sense like right here and it can flip right when it's in front. Any more questions? No?
Right.
Okay,
Thank
have
you.
a nice day.